Toyo Tanso contributes to reducing greenhouse gases through its carbon products. This time, we introduce our products that contribute to reducing greenhouse gases. Toyo Tanso contributes to reducing greenhouse gases through three key fields: energy saving, energy generation, and electrification. First, we introduce products that achieve energy saving. In the semiconductor field, our products are used as components for semiconductor manufacturing, enabling improved yield in the manufacturing process. Supporting the manufacturing of semiconductors such as silicon carbide and gallium nitride, which consume less power and generate less heat loss. In the heat treatment field, our products are used as furnace internal components such as trays, bolts, nuts, and springs. They reduce the consumption of electricity and fuel in heat treatment. Next, we introduce products that enable energy generation. In the renewable energy field, we supply carbon brushes for wind and hydroelectric power generation. These brushes not only enhance power generation efficiency but also support long-term stable operation due to their low aggressiveness toward mating parts. In the next generation of nuclear power generation, they are used as internal components for high-temperature gas reactors and fusion reactors. Like conventional nuclear power generation, it is a new energy source that not only emits no carbon dioxide but also holds the potential to be utilized as a heat source and for hydrogen production. Our products will realize a sustainable future. Finally, we introduce products that enable electrification. Electric vehicles have various cooling points. Carbon also plays a vital role as bearings for these cooling pumps. It improves energy efficiency and reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Our products are also used as catalyst supports in fuel cells that emit only water during power generation, enabling high durability fuel cell lifespans and cost reductions. As introduced this time, our company contributes to reducing greenhouse gas emissions through a variety of products. Toyo Tanso will continue to pursue product development and manufacturing technologies to address social challenges and meet customer needs.